Hi everyone, welcome back to Anisha Writes Books, and today is the third episode of Alternative Writing Careers. If you're new here, hello, I'm Anisha. I write books, I write romances, and I do have a career writing other stuff as well. And that is why I thought I would start this mini series where I'm going to talk about all of the ways that I have made money writing, and it's not just writing novels. So, on today's episode, I would like to talk about commission writing. Now, what is commission writing? So, commission writing can be anything when somebody is paying you to write a blog post, to somebody paying you to write a book, or someone's paying you to write a series. Now, what is the difference between commission writing and post writing? So, for one, in commission writing, you more often than not, you're going to be credited for your work. It is not ghost writing where you do the writing for somebody else. In commission writing, you're going to retain your author credits, but you're probably going to be paid like a lump sum amount of money at one go rather than get a royalty share. Now, a lot of people are of the opinion that instead of getting a lump sum amount, you should get a royalty share. I don't really share that opinion because you don't know how the book is going to do, right? That is because somebody's commissioned you to write it. Most of the time, it's a publishing house or some other agency that's going to commission you to write this book. They are also not sure. So, it's just better to cut your losses, take the money. And one of the reasons I did it is because I had bills to pay. And right back then, it seemed like a lot of money. Maybe it's not today, but back then it was. And this is during 2017. I did a lot of commission projects back then. I did a lot of books that I had written. It's still out there. It's still there. Still has my name on it. And I'm very proud of those projects. And I'm very happy that those were commission projects. I really didn't care about it that much at that point of time. Now, how do you go about getting a commission project? Most of the times, companies, publishers, agencies, they approach you. They ask you for a writing sample, and if they like your writing sample, they are going to ask you to be a part of this project. That is how I kind of got it. You can also write to publishers and see, the kind of books that people write. It's mostly the biographies or the children's stories and stuff. You can always write to these publishers and ask them that if they are looking for authors, if they are willing to commission some work to you. You can always show them your work, and if they like you, I'm sure they are going to get back to you. One good way of finding these jobs is, of course, posting on LinkedIn. And I don't mean posting like I'm looking for commission projects. Mostly, the way LinkedIn works is you talk about your craft, you talk about how to hone your craft, you talk about what you bring to the table. And more often than not, people do reach out to you and they talk to you and then they do hire you. So, but it's a long run process. So, commission writing, while personally it has been one of the sources of my income, I'm not really sure how somebody who's just starting out or somebody who doesn't really have so many titles under their belt would go about this. So, I really don't want to mislead you or misguide you. Like I said, this is supposed to be a series where I talk about my alternative careers